Good afternoon, guys.
Yup, good afternoon. We're actually here in the Anaheim Angel Stadium, and I'm actually going to pick up my racing bib because tomorrow there is a 5K race here. And I'll flip the camera right now. So look, there's the start and finish line right there. And there's the Angel Stadium.
Just circle around, right?
Yeah, just circle around, and you're actually gonna go through the stadium. So right now we're on our way to pick up my bib. My first day breaking in my new Zoom Fly 6, and so far so good. I just finished picking up my bib. We got actually a free pizza here. Oh, that's so cool. I got me their large shirt. Oh wow, that is so cool. It matches right there. Here's the volunteer check-in, and oh wow, look at the trophies here. It's so golden. Oh, that's so cool.
Nice.
That's so, yeah, that is. Oh, it's sponsored by Lexus too. Cool.
That is so nice.
All right, and let's see if we could just walk around. I just realized that is so cool. We actually get a free baseball game ticket. Actually, two of them.
Yeah.
Right there. Never actually watched Angel game before. We're just walking around right now, and the last time we were actually here was it last year or 2 years ago?
That was 2 years ago, I think.
Yeah, at the K&N air filter car meet here. And now this will be our second time here. And man, this place is huge, guys. Wow. It is sponsored by Lexus, and they're still setting up. And there's their new Lexus electric or hybrid, yeah, electric car right there. This is how the front of the Angel Stadium looks like. So we're actually going inside their team store, and oh wow, these are all the merchandise that they have here. Yeah, that is so cool. Look at all these jerseys, hats, blankets. They got more jackets, shirts. Oh, that's a nice jacket right there. Oh, they got that giant finger right there. Oh yeah, that's cool. How much is that?
I don't know.
We'll be back tomorrow morning. We are actually going to run inside the stadium. So this will be interesting.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning, guys.
All right, good morning. Today is the following day.
Yeah.
We're back here at the Anaheim Angel Stadium parking lot, but we're here. It won't start for another hour and 30 minutes. We got here really early.
We'll just walk around, I guess.
All right.
And rest for a minute.
All right, so let's get
go.
ready. You could still pick up your bib over there, and then over here, let's see what's going on over here. Oh, so we got the vendors here. We got the U.S. Army. We got California Rehabilitation Sports. We have this line here. I have no idea what this line is for, but people are lining up for it. We got a free bobblehead.
Yeah.
I got Mike Trout, and she got Ben Joyce.
Yes.
And we got it from there. So wow, that's cool. It's a raffle too. So wow, we're blessed. So we got some more vendors here. We got Lexus there, and they have a live band here in front of the stadium. Just finished trying the Just Ingredients right there. Wow, it's really good. We got more vendors here. We got the Anaheim Ducks. We got the Clippers here, LA Lakers claw machine, and LA Lakers tote bag over there. We're now here in the Anaheim Mighty Ducks booth. They're giving away some cool stuff here. Oh wow, check that out, guys. There's the Angels World Series trophy right there. I can get a better look. Oh, there you go. Nice. That is so cool. It's the finish line. And they're setting up the water. Oh, the bananas and chips and water. And they got the medals right there. I thought the start was in the same place as the finish line, but I was totally wrong. So there's the finish line, and then the start line is over there. Here in the front of the start line. And they got the DJ right there.
All right, guys. We're here now in the starting So,
This time I'm kind of in the front now.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna be vlogging a lot because
Yeah.
I'm gonna be running this kind of fast.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see how fast I can run 5K, so versus the half marathon. We'll see, but I'll do my best to vlog when I can. This time I'm actually here kind of in the front already. Normally I would be in the middle or in the back, but I'm now here in the front.
5 feet goes in this direction, fun run the opposite way. Everybody out here lined up by 7:55 because at 8 o'clock we're starting with or without you.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the 2026 Angels 5K and Fun Run. This is our 16th year we've been doing this, and each year we raise great amount of money for our local charities, Boys and Girls Clubs, YMCAs, etc. So thank you for being out here. And thank the Lord for a beautiful day. A warm welcome to the young lady that's going to come up here and sing our national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, Riley Barnes.
Close, can you see by the dawn's early light? Gave proof through the night o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
all right, guys, they're gonna start now.
Get set. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yay!
And the 2026 Angel Baseball Foundation 5K and on your mark, get ready, go!
Yay!
All of you, and we'll see you all at the finish line. And again, thank you for 5K and Fun Run. And again, thank you, Lexus. Thank you, Visani.
There's a lot of runners today. Wow. They're still going. And it's still going, guys. They have a lot of runners today. We're going to find a way to cross because there's still more runners that are trying to cross the start line. I'm sure some of the runners already are almost in the finish line. So let's go find a way to go to the finish line right now. I think I found a way to go the other side.
All right, guys. So we're now here in this part of the Angel Stadium. We're almost at mile 1. Let's go.
We're heading now in the finish line to find a perfect spot. Made it to the finish line, so we'll now wait for him here. There's the first runner coming in.
Of the 2026 Angels 5K and run the Angels! Go Gomez! Let's hear it for him! By a race by the 27-year-old out of Montana, California.
All right, we're going inside, or running inside the Angel Stadium. We're at 1.6 miles. All right, we're inside the stadium. That is so cool. All right, so we're running inside the stadium, guys. Whew. Almost mile 2.
The second placer now.
Oh wow, that is so cool. Guys, we're now here on this part of the stadium. This is so cool, guys.
Our first
Wow, look at that, guys. That is so cool. All right, guys, we're now in mile 2. Almost there. All right, you don't have to go, but you can go at the Foam Alicious right there. That is so cool. Ah, screw it. Let's go. Woo. Oh, it feels nothing. Felt like nothing, guys. Felt like nothing. Running through there. We're going inside this tunnel right here. Let's go. We're here in the field. That's so cool. Look at this. Wow. All right, guys. So we're now at 2.5 miles, guys. Almost there. All right, we're now here in this part of the field. Look at that. Look at the big screens right there. That is so cool. There's the finish line right there. Let's go.
All right, guys, I think I see him.
Strong finish.
All right. Yay, he finished it. Finished strong. Looks like he sprinted the whole way. He's just getting his banana. Yay!
I started strong, but man, I got tired in the half mile.
Yeah.
And then my shoelaces went untied.
Oh no!
Yeah, but it's all good.
Yeah.
Okay, glory to God that I finished it.
Yeah.
Hopefully nice and quick.
Yeah.
So we are finding out my race results.
His ranking is 481 out of 1600.
I got my official results.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I got it at 30 minutes and 33 seconds. So I was pacing at 9 minutes and 50 seconds
Per mile.
per
yeah.
mile. Wow.
Yeah.
And my rank?
Your ranking is you're 844 out of 3,997.
Wow. And the male?
The male you're
481.
481.
And then my age group,
You're 44.
Yay, not
Yeah.
bad. First, I tried to sprint it. I started in the front and I sprinted it. And then my shoelaces, my right side went untied. And then I had to tie it. And then I lost it from there. And then I just realized too, my body could only sprint up to like 0.2 miles. And then my body kind of like, whoa, like started to slow down. And I'm like, okay, fine. I trained for long distance instead of short distance. So, and then also too, my breathing and my chest, left side, started to hurt. I was like, oh crap. So I had to slow down.
Yeah.
Glory to God that, hey,
Yeah,
I
you
finished
finished strong.
so we actually got free shave ice here at the Kona Ice booth. So heck yeah. So we're blessed.
Did our ice cream. Oh no,
shave ice.
shave ice.
For free.
Yeah. All right, let's go to our car now.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
We're back here inside Bear Flag. So we got a half a pound of ahi tuna right there, and she's already dipping on it. This is actually one of our favorites here. So I got me their grouper plate, and it comes with vegetables and rice. And we got our ahi tuna, and we got their street tacos, seafood street tacos right there. And this is us right here. Okay, let's do this. They're actually now done setting up the start